Man, this sucks. What should I do? Hey Remington, I got an idea. What is it, McCoggins? We can build a fire alarm, but we can get in trouble doing that. Don't worry, we can just evacuate. Good. Roll, roll. When the fire drill is over. That was so funny, Mr. Stapleton. We should do that next time. Oh yeah, high five! Remington and McCoggins, please report to my office at once. Uh-oh, we are cooked. Remington and McCoggins, what are you two doing? So what are you two doing in my office? A, you pulled the fire alarm. B, you skipped school. A or B? I'm just joking. I know what you did. You guys pulled the fire alarm. That wasn't nice. Do you understand me? There will be some problems next time. We're sorry. Nope, you're gonna go to the office. Wait a minute, you are at my office. Must have tricked you again. You guys are gonna go home early. No.